We received reports about an hour ago that there had been an incident in the London Bridge area of the British capital. We understood that a van had mounted the pavement there and hit pedestrians, bearing some of the hallmarks of what happened in March in the British capital on a bridge not far from London Bridge. Police cordoning off the area, so camera images are not coming to us from so close to the scene now that the police have cordoned off that central area and the area affected, as they've also tried to evacuate people for obvious reasons from the area, including evacuating hotels. This area, as we've been saying, popular with people who go out, and you can see lots of restaurants and bright lights in that area of London from those pictures. But of course the police keen to get people out of the way. And we've just been saying that earlier on the British police were donning special armoured equipment. It looked as though they were going then to respond to another incident, which implies this is an ongoing situation. It implies that there could still be an attacker at large. It's not clear. We're just receiving another report saying that the police are searching for 3 suspects who may be armed after that incident. That's a report coming into us from the Reuters news agency. They're citing the BBC for that report. So the police saying there could be other people at large. And Duncan Woodside is with us on the line from London. Duncan, it's extraordinary, isn't it? Because so much of the world attention is not on London. In fact, it's on Cardiff, where the football has been taking place this evening, and also on Manchester ahead of tomorrow's concert, which was really to draw attention to and in solidarity with the people of Manchester following on from their own tragic attack.
That's right, yes. London perhaps not the most obvious target this evening, given that, as you say, there has been the game in Cardiff, a major football game. And also the fact that Manchester is very much on high alert as well after the attack which took place last week on Monday, 12 days ago, with the attack against the Manchester Arena, in which 22 people, including a large number of children, were killed. So focus now back on London. The threat level was reduced, of course, by the British authorities from the highest level, that's critical, to severe a few days ago. That was in light of the fact that the security services were confident that they had rounded up most of the network that was believed to be associated with Salman Abedi. He was, of course, the bomber in Manchester, but what's clear is that this is another incident that's emerging, which again has caught the authorities off guard. Very strong likelihood, of course, that we will see changes to the security threat level, and as you mentioned, Theresa May is in consultation with senior figures within the security forces as they try to bring the situation under control.